This is a 2014 Mile High Water Solutions water skid. 600-gallon elliptical tank. Has 50-gallon markings on the front of it for easy level verification. This particular one is equipped with a 2-inch, 6.5 horse, high pressure, 108 psi pump. It's a Gorman Rupp pump, IPT, and a Briggs & Stratton commercial duty Vanguard motor. This one is also equipped with a 3200 psi pressure washer, 2.8 gallons per minute. That's a Honda motor. Also has a 2-inch galvanized manifold with 4 2-inch FIP outlets. This one's equipped with a 2-inch cam lock and a 3/4 high volume garden bib. This one is equipped with forklift accessibility on the side. And on the side.